Namaste. Today we are going to look at 7 different common verbs with Lagaana in Hindi, and it's going to be in a quiz format. So I'll show you some videos and you have to guess what the action is. Remember to add Lagaana to it. Lagaana can have different meanings. So these are going to be 2 or more word verbs. If you get the action right, you get 1 point. Watch this video and tell me what this action is called. That's right. It's called Bistar Lagaana. Bistar Lagaana, where bistar means bed and the verb means to make the bed or arrange the bed. Watch this and tell me what this is. You're right. It's called Khana Lagaana. Khana Lagaana, where khana means food and the verb means to set the food or to serve the food on the table. Watch this one. Awesome. It's called Ishtehar Lagaana. Ishtehar Lagaana, where Ishtehar can mean advertisement or a poster. So this means to put up a poster or to stick a poster on the wall. This one? Correct. Makhan Lagaana. Makhan Lagaana, where makhan means butter and this means to spread butter. What's this called? Correct again. It's called cream lagana. Cream lagana, where cream means cream or a lotion. So this means to apply cream or a lotion. What's this called? Awesome. This is alarm lagana. Alarm lagana, which means to set an alarm. And the last one, this is going to be a tough one. What is this called? Awesome if you got it right. It's called darwaze mein chabi lagana. Darwaze mein chabi lagana, or you can also call it chabi lagana. The chabi means a key and darwaze mein means in the door. This verb means to insert the key into the door lock or to unlock the door using a key. How many actions did you get right? So finally, were you able to identify all? Write your score in the comments section and list down these 7 verbs too for revision.